Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I'm not sure what's going on with the AT&T DIRECTV. It's constantly doing this on my Genie. It says no server was detected. Check your network connection. When I press try again, and it just keep on doing that. So I need to go to the master server or the main cable box and try to see what's going on. And this is the Genie. So let's go upstairs and check out what's going on. Alright, so this is my main box right here by my master bedroom. I'm going to turn it on and see if it's required like a connection or not.
Not wrap me because I want to play this quick game called Low Blow because your son Johnny, I love the way he trolls you. It's my favorite thing right there.
So it works fine and everything, so I'm not sure what's going on. So alright, so after contacting AT&T, they advised me to disconnect your main box for 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and unplug the power cord. This is your power cord right here, and then there's your HDMI, there's your coax cable. I'm gonna unplug this one just by pulling it out. So we're gonna wait about 30 seconds. And then after that, we had to go to our Genie box and then press the red button, the reset button on the side. Press it, and then allow the Genie to reconnect to this main box again for the updates. So that should be good. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. So let's go downstairs and then press the reset button for the Genie. So this one, the master bathroom. So let me see if it works, but without pressing the reset button, because I know this one is, oh, now it's saying that. Alright, so we're gonna hit the reset button on the side of the Genie box. And then we're gonna see what happened. So I guess both of the Genie lost connection to the main box. It's still doing the same thing. Try again. Maybe I should unplug this Genie box for 30 seconds too. So I'm gonna unplug from the power from behind. Which is this one right here. So we're gonna wait about 30 seconds too, and then plug it back in. Hopefully I don't need to press the reset button again, the red button. Because last time I pressed the reset for too long, and then I had to reprogram my remote to the box and then TV again. Because I lost all the control for the volume, the channel and everything. Let's see, press OK. Oh, so now it's working now. So this is how you reset your box, and then connect back or sync it with your main cable box. And we're gonna go check out the downstairs one to do the same thing. Let's go and do that. So I walked down here and then it's already working, so I didn't have to unplug it or do anything to the Genie box. So I guess I just need to reboot the main box and then allow it to sync it back up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.